Hi there, my dear Aquarius friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your year 2025 reading. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Aquarius. Just take all the positive energy and messages that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe. Thank you, love and light, namaste. Let's start. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide it into five. First quarter is January, February, March. Second is April, May, June. So let's see. My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the year 2025? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the year 2025? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Aquarius friends for the year 2025? Oh wow, achievement. That's a beautiful card. Let's see. Okay. First month, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, and fifth quarter. Wow, you got the achievement again. Okay. Confirmation card. Okay. Tarot cards. Messages for our dear and correspondence for the year. Mm. Alright, okay, let's just put like that. Mhm. Um, the angel. Right. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Right. 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 And then for the western one is right. Um, right, my dear Aquarius friends. Okay, let's start. So, the message for you for the year 2025, messages of Cosmic Oracle card. Let's see. Okay, you have such a bright light inside. Stop dimming it. Okay, so means you have such a bright light inside. Stop dimming it. So get out from your shell. Okay, if you've been hiding, if you've been shy, showing it to the people, if you are creative or if you have talent or skills that you can show it to the people and make you become famous and have a good fortune, then do it, my dear Aquarius. Okay, right. For the first quarter for the month of January, February, March, okay, you have here five of spade, meaning if you are dealing with oppositions, obstacles, obstruction to your success, but you feel like there is a possibility of having those success, then this card is confirming that that is only temporary. Those disappointments, opposition, obstacles, um, obstruction is just only temporary. Okay, it is only a blessing in disguise. Okay, so be patient, be patient. Patience, patience is a virtue, remember. Okay, and then um have have confidence and have faith that you will get what you want. Yes, and then the confirmation is wow. Another one is okay, for those who are dealing with sales, if your job is in the sales area or if you have business, okay, your business will grow. It will prosper. There will be abundance. Okay, so two of hearts. And then it means as well, two of hearts is it's only you and your husband, you and your boyfriend, you or it's only two people in a relationship. There is no third party involvement in here. That's why the you are having both of you are having a great success and a prosperity that is flowing in your life to the two of you because there is no negative energy. There's only the two of you. You are getting your strength and support from your husband, from your partner, or from your boyfriend or girlfriend or wife. Okay. So, your tarot card for the month of January, February, March, it's a five of swords. It's a no card. And this is your card associated with no. This, yes, Aquarius energy aligned to Venus, which is love and pleasure, and aligned to throat chakra. Okay, it's a what is this? A card of defeat. Okay, so as I've said, if you are feeling defeated and you feel like you're stagnated, disappointments, okay, and feeling like lack of success, as I've said, your first card is confirming that it is just only a temporary. Okay, so do not give up. Okay, it says in here that for it says in here that there is lack of communication, and you feel like for those who are bullied or someone intimidated you, and you know that most of the choirs are smart and clever, oh, just ignore that one. Okay, it's them that have problem, attitude problem, not you. Okay, you better quiet and do your work. Focus on your um well deserved success in the future. Okay, so um for those who have, for those who are dealing with addiction, using illicit drugs and alcoholism, ah, do not let your self be involved with doing bad things like murders, stealing, robbery, assault, violence, abuse. Oh, do not involve, because it will just create more problems in your life. Okay, you are too clever enough and a strong-willed person to be involved with that. Okay, it is just only the effect of the addiction that you are dealing with. So better to step out from that addiction, because that will not give you a brighter future. Okay. For the angel message for you for the month of January, February, March, number 5, unity. Archangel Sandalphon. It says traditional viewpoints or method, spiritual organization. Okay. So for those who are spiritual um, warrior, or spiritual, yes, who do believe on spirituality, then you are advised in here. I think you will feel that you feel like you wanted to join some spiritual group, or you wanted to go to church and or do something spiritual activity. There will be an expected feeling of doing this spiritual activity that you will be interested with. Seek out mentors and like-minded friends. Okay, for the um, animal spirit guides message for you for the month of January, February, March, my dear Aquarius, it says number 7, the chariot, Arabian horse. You can successfully balance values or opposing energies at once through determination and focus. You have earned the rewards and recognition you are receiving. That's right. That's a beautiful message for you. For the job, career, and business messages from the universe, it says harmony. It's important for you to have a quiet, peaceful work atmosphere in order for you to thrive. Working at home or for yourself is best. That's why. That's right. As I've said, for some of you, you will be um, feeling like you wanted to join with a sorry, in a spiritual activity, or maybe yourself doing it at home. Okay, sorry. um, your message of love oracle deck is ego. I let my pride get in the way of our connection. Wow. I let my pride get in the way of our connection. Okay. For those who have one question that is seeking a yes or no answer, then the answer is yes. It says it's the icing on the cake. All this and sprinkles too. So it's a yes card. So go ahead. It's a green signal for you. If you are planning to do something and you are doubt if it's a yes or no, then it's a yes. Go ahead. Okay, for the second quarter, which is um January, February, March, April, May, June. Oh, April, May, June. Okay, your your January, February, March. Your first card it says opposition and obstacles are temporary, right? So with that, others, well, for some of you is feeling depressed because of those obstacles, obstruction, because you are very eager to get what you want. As I've said, be patient because it means it's not yet the divine right time for you to get what you want. There will be a divine right time to get what is for you, what is meant for you. Okay, so with this, it says in here depression, illness, um, accidents, incidents. Oh, no, no, no. Do not let yourself um, suffer from those. Okay? So, for the accidents and incidents, be extra careful then. You look after yourself. This is a warning card. Okay? So, that's why if you feel very low, then this is a warning card not to, because depression is not good. Illness, or else you will ended up having an illness, mentally ill or physically ill. This is a warning card for you, my dear um Aquarius friends. Okay, so I can feel it in here as well that some of you is dealing with a lower leg problem, or probably you are having a swollen legs. Okay, and having this electrical impulses of the nerve like tingling sensation, numbness. Uh, if you've been having this for so long, then you must seek a medical advice. For those who have swollen legs, then you must seek a medical advice as well. Especially if it is hard to touch, tender, painful, red, then maybe it's querulous, or maybe you are having a heart failure. We don't know. So you better seek a medical advice. Okay? You have to pay attention to your health concerns. If your body is crying for help, then pay attention to that. Okay? Health is wealth, remember. There will be a major shifts in your career and financial status. Okay, so and I can feel it in here that there is a leadership role as well. Okay, right, the confirmation. Okay, some, oh, this is a king of heart. This is a water sign, a Pisces, Cancerian, or Scorpio, who is older than you, a male one who is really concerned of you. This man will give you a kind advice, and this is a very affectionate, loving man. Maybe this is your father, or your boyfriend, or your husband who is older than you, or a partner, or a friend, okay, or a boss who will give you an advice, and you have to listen. Listen to that advice because that advice is full of wisdom. Okay, it will lead to the right path. Okay, okay, your um Tarot card message is Knight of Wands, passion, a card of passion. It's a yes card and associated with Sagittarian energy and aligned to Mars, planet Mars, which is action and energy, and aligned to heart chakra. So it's time for you to do an action now. If you are planning to do something, then do it now. Okay. And it's a yes card, remember. Okay. A angel message for you for the month of March. Oh no, April, May, June. It's a five of fire. Five is a change, a massive change. It's going to happen in your life. Competing goals, bothersome details, conflict with others. Yes, as I've said earlier on, I have mentioned to you that um, there is a leadership role in here that will be offered to you, and others will be jealous to you. So there is a competing goals in here. So if I were you, grab that opportunity that will be offered to you. Because as I've said earlier on, if you have passion to be a leader, then it's a time for you to grab that opportunity. Never mind those who are jealous. Okay, so the animal energy, animal spirit guides, animal guides message for you is it's a cow, seven of autumn. The planning, resources, and efforts you have invested in your dream will reap great rewards. See? In the meantime, have patience and meditate on your next step. Remember, have patience. Okay? Do not feel depressed if it's not yet in your hand. Okay? It's in front of you, but it will be presented into your hand. Okay, for the career, job, and business, it says in here guidance. As I've told you, this guy, the water sign guy, who is um, older than you, it says in here, divine forces are showing you the way to go. Okay? With, yes, you are discovering another piece of your destiny and your purpose in life. Oh, such a beautiful card for you. This is a message of love oracle deck. Commitment. Oh, I have told you, for some of you will get married. Or for some of you, I can feel a pregnancy or a period of fertility, meaning period of fertility is maybe it's time for you, is you are now fertile to to do that leadership role, or if it's a pregnancy, if you are newly married, or maybe you will get pregnant, then it says in here commitment. I want you to be a part of my future. Wow. Good luck with that. For those who are single or you are going to have a second marriage, congratulations in advance. And again, for those who have one question that is seeking for a yes or no answer, then it says yes. Rising to the challenge, floating on air, advance. Wow. Beautiful. Spread, but in the beginning, illness, no. Do not be carried away with that negative energy. Okay. On the third quarter, which is July, August, September. Ah, oh my God. Okay, as I've said, Aquarius people, you can be very, very emotionally obsessed. Okay, if if you feel like you wanted to get that what you desire, you really wanted to get it. It's like just like that. As I've said, patience. It says in here, be patient. So in here, you are having an emotional conflict or obsession in here. Yeah. And you feel like for those um, um, those who have business, okay? and you wanted to have a bigger business, okay, and you're spending a lot of money, but that bigger business is not productive and not progressing, then there is a misfortune in here. You are losing a lot of money in here that will give you an emotional, um, what is this? Instability. Okay? So, please, if you feel like it's not a good project or a good business, or if you apply for a job that is not really productive, or you have no passion in it, then I think you better stop that one, because it says in here nine of clubs, like the one on the second quarter: depression, personal loss, accidents, incidents, illness. No, no, no card. Okay? Okay, let's go to the angel message for you for the month of April, May, June. Oh, no. July, August, September. Okay. Tree of Earth, the power of creativity, recognition for very high quality work. Be a team player. Wow, for those who is on a leadership role, okay, then you will get a recognition, a promotion, an award, a reward from a job well done, well earned success. Okay, okay. For Okay, for your tarot card message, it says in here clubs, seven of cups, dreams. It's a dream card, so pay attention to your dream. It says in here, it's a no card associated with a Scorpio energy, aligned to um more Venus, which is love and pleasure, and a solar as aligned to a solar plexus chakra. It says in here, lots of options, choices, multiple possibilities, opportunities, picking and choosing decisions. Mm, meditations is needed in here, and you are fantasizing of something. Okay, if you feel like it's you will get it, then believe in yourself, my dear Aquarius. Okay, so let's go to the animal spirit guides message for you. It's awakening. As I've mentioned earlier on, you needed to meditate, contemplate, join yoga, reiki, right? It's a Jerafir number 12. Look at things in a different way and all will make sense. Don't worry if your progress is halted temporarily. Things will soon start moving again. As I've said, be patient. For the job, career, and business, it says renewal. You need to take time to recharge your energy to get back on track. Challenges ahead require you to have faith and break through. Okay. For a message of love oracle deck for the love and romance, it says in here, conversation. I want to call you and hear your voice. Wow, so so sweet. Do do it really. And for those who have one question and seeking a yes or no answer, then it's a yes card. Ripe for the picking, perfect timing. Get ready. Okay, for the month of um October, November, December, it says in here, Four of Hearts. Four of Hearts, there is a foundation, a strong foundation. Four is a strong foundation, and heart is Four of Hearts, there is a stability in here. So if you are happily married or strongly committed with someone, then it is you built a strong foundation in it. Okay, there is a stability in here, and the card indicates a travel. Okay, the travel is in the card. And for those, this card as well, it says late marriage. Aha, it says in here there is a commitment. For those who've been single for so long and you are in your middle age or maybe late, then there is a late marriage in here or a second marriage can be. Okay. Oh wow. Confirmation is five of diamonds. It's you have to buckle your seatbelt in here because there will be an unexpected huge changes that is going to happen in your life. It's more about money, a change for there is a happiness in here, a business success, a change for the better, a good time to start for a new project, and as I've said, a good news of a child. There is a birth in here. Okay, if you're not going to get pregnant anymore, then it means there is a birth of a business, a financial um, abundance, a financial inheritance, a birth. Yes, a new you, let's say, or maybe a new things that you are going to receive. Okay, a your tarot card message is Eight of Cups. Moving on. It's a no card. It's a associated with Pisces energy and aligned to Saturn. And planet Saturn, which is responsibility and discipline, and also aligned to solar plexus chakra. It says in here, if you feel like, yes, that's what we have discussed earlier, right? So if you feel like you have spent a lot of money, if you wanted to have a bigger project or a business and you've spent a lot of money but there is no progress, there is no productivity on it, then abandon it. Move on. Because if you feel like there is no productivity, a positive outcome, a good outcome that is going to happen, then move on. Abandon that one. Okay, that's what it means. Okay, right. Your angel message for the month of October, November, December. Number 10 is a completion in the wheel of fortune. The wheel of fortune in here is now spinning. It's Archangel Michael. It says in here a time of positive change. That's why it says earlier on to move on. Okay? A situation suddenly moves forward. So see how it connects? Fortune is on your side. Wow, that's a beautiful message for you then. An animal guides message for you. Rum is five of spring. It's another five. Yeah, five is a number of change. Occasionally, you may experience clashes with others. So there was conflict with others, and but you have to calm down. Okay, deal it diplomatically. If you decide the matter is worth your energy, then do what you can do to minimize the conflict without sacrificing your goals or belief. That is right. Okay, for the job, career, and business message from the universe, drama. My God. Beware of troublemakers in the workplace. About the conflict, right? You have the conflict cards in here. The job you want may have too much upheaval to bear. Keep emotions and gossip in check. Oh my God. Okay, your message of love, Oracle deck. This is a four. Your love and romance life broken. I feel shattered about this situation. Okay, for those who are dealing with always having like a cat and mouse, hmm, yes, always having um this having fight with your loved ones, your behalf, then you both sit down and talk about it. Because if you feel shattered, then it needs to be resolved. It needs to be sorted out. Okay, do not let this thing happen continuously. For those who have one question and seeking a yes or no answer, it's a no card. It says grinding your gears, working too hard on it. So, as I've said, if you're doing something, grinding your gears, you are working too hard on it, you're spending a lot of money, you are losing a lot of money, but it's not working, then it's a no card. Yeah? Okay. For the fifth, um, what is this? For the fifth area, yes, for the month of Capricorn, Aquarius, for the month of January, February, March, it says in here, achievement. Finally, achievements. Okay? Again, a sudden windfall of money or a wealthy marriage. You have here an admirer. Okay? Maybe this admirer is the one who will give you a ring for engagement with the one with the money. Yeah? I can feel it in here that this person really adores your being smart. Okay. And also, it said this card is also advising you not to be stubborn. Oh, I know you can be very stubborn. Oh, number three, three of heart. Oh, okay. So in here, if you will get married to someone with money, it says in here that if you will become rich, or because you're going to have a wealthy marriage, someone will because this person is maybe is the one who really admires you, this person will try to intrude into your marriage life. This is a third party person. And please, my dear Aquarius, do not engage with this. Okay? If you want to have a happy, peaceful marriage life, then be happy with your husband, be happy with your partner or your boyfriend or your, yeah, do not engage with a third party relationship. Your tarot card message is the world. That's beautiful. Number 21, Major Arcana. It's a yes card associated with is a Saturn planet, which is responsibility and discipline, and a root chakra. There will be a lot of success, unstoppable success in here, achievements, as I've said, accomplishments. There will be a travel, as I've said earlier on, a fulfillment, a completion, sense of belonging. It's all positive, really. And the message from this angel for you is five of water. It's another five. Things not turning out the way you had hoped, not seeing the positive in a situation, crying over spilled milk. As I've said, for some of you, be patient. Be patient because what you want, not all the time is you. That's what you will get. Because if it is not meant for you, then you will not get it. Or if you will get it, it will just like that. Yeah, it will just disappear easily. Animal spirit guides message for you is Seven of Spring Gecko. Be assertive, believe in yourself, and don't let anyone take away your personal power. Trust that your inner guidance is true and follow it completely. That's right. Okay, for those who are seeking for a message from the universe regarding their job, career, and business card of magic. Wow, you have the power now. Okay, for those who are applying for a promotion, for planning for a project or a business, planning to buy a house, buying a building, or starting a big business, everything that you want, it's now your time to do it. A good time to start that thing. Use your magic to attract what you want into your life. The sky is the limit. Okay. For the month of January, February, March, your message of love oracle card, shadow side. You made me realize my flaws. Wow, that is really beautiful. And for those who are seeking for a yes or no answer, it says in here glowing results, clarity, seeing the whole picture. Actually, okay, in general, 2025 is a positive year for you, my dear Aquarius friends. Just be patient and do not be involved with a third party relationship. Okay? And try to calm down if there is um, any jealous workmates at work, and there's conflict, um, deal it with calm behavior. Okay, and I can see it in here that really you are surrounded with envy people around. Okay, even your friends. Okay, anyway, good luck on your life journey. Thank you so much. And if you like this message, this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. It's again.